So the product we had purchased at first had said it would be a year implementation, between 12 months and 18 months. We were 12 months in and we had nothing to show. We had a lot of time and effort in setup, but no finished product and no understanding of how it worked. So in order to justify switching to a different product 1 year into the process, we needed to give our campus a finished product to try to meet that 18-month timeline. So we ended up working with Civitas and came up with, I think it was a 6 to 8 week timeline implementation. And we met it. Because of that, we were able to convince, we gained back the trust of all our constituents because it looked like we had failed in that first year. And they weren't sure if we really knew what we were doing, especially when we're like, okay, we're going to abandon a year's worth of work and start something new. That's a scary step.
I think I was going to just say, I think a lot of people are afraid to admit failure and cut their losses. And I think that that is exactly often the thing that needs to happen. And so like, yeah, it's scary, but remarkable that your team recognized the need and made the push and still delivered in the time frame. And I think that that's really is part of it, like seeing this isn't going to work for us. Much better to see that it's not going to work for you and cut your losses as soon as you see it and move to something that's going to work than to kind of just like stay the course because that's what you committed to and you're trying to save face or whatever other reason people do those
exactly.
things.